If you're 25 in the US, guess how old you are in South Korea. The most popular way to count age in Korea is called seinen nae, which means counting age, more famously known as Korean age. In this system, babies are 1 at birth and another year is added every year on January 1st. So a baby born on December 31st would be 2 years old by January 1st, even though they're actually only 1 day old. This is the age that is used in daily society. The multiple age determination system has posed problems for things like mandatory military service and COVID-19 vaccinations based on age. There are plans to abolish the Korean age system and stick to the international system starting in 2023. So if your birthday has passed, your Korean age is your age plus 1. If your birthday has not passed, your Korean age is your age plus 2. So if you're 25 in America, you could be 26 or 27 in Korea.